how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp chats or messages. So let's get into it. Your WhatsApp backup must have taken place before you deleted the messages. To check your last backup, open WhatsApp and tap Settings in the bottom right. Then tap Chats and go to Chat Backup. Here you'll see when your last backup was created. If your backup happened before the messages were deleted, you're good to go. Next, you'll need to delete the WhatsApp app from your phone. Just remember, anything that happened after the last backup will be lost during this process. Once uninstalled, go to the App Store or Play Store and download WhatsApp again. After it installs, open the app and go through the usual setup process by entering your phone number. During the setup, you'll see a Restore option. Restore, and WhatsApp will recover all messages from the backup, including the ones you deleted. And that's it. Your chats should now be back just like before. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tech tips. That's all for the video.